the boundary. 4 more to Imran Khan.
You're quite sheepish about your private life and about your association with women. Are you saying that your reputation as a lady killer is unjustified?
Totally.
Totally? Or are you just not saying?
I've found it very difficult to live with that image. Our fees of the tour, not our expenses, which they pay daily expenses.
Trendy bistros are a far cry from the religious laws that restrict his freedom back home in Islamic Pakistan.
I suppose you'd say that, you know, one goes out at nights and has womanizes and drinks and all that, and when one comes back, one lives a pure Muslim. Well, actually, it doesn't happen like that.
Muslim men seldom romp on beaches. Muslim women never do.
It is actually a dilemma. It's becoming more of a dilemma each day. The thing is, I want to live in Pakistan. To find a girl in the West who's going to, I mean, I might be lucky one day. I mean, maybe I do fall in love with someone who wants to live here. I mean, since it hasn't happened and chances are quite slim, that's why I assume I'm going to have an arranged marriage, because there's no other way to get married in Pakistan.